this is so frustrated that I can't.
No, finally, my pumpkin curry is ready. Now I am free for cooking. Sorry, I am free to cooking, and my dish is ready. Now I am recording long video today. Be honest with me. How many English words do you know? 100, 500, maybe even 1000. But when your mother says, go and bring some water, can you reply instantly in English? Most learners can't. Not because their English is weak, but because they never practice real life English. Okay? But I am practice every day in my real life whenever what I am doing. I don't care what I am doing in this time, but I am practice English every day with myself because I have no partner to practice. So I practice English with myself. No, you know that? Look again. Today I will teach you 20 daily English sentences that you can start using today with your family, friend, and even yourself. And here's today's challenge. By the end of this video, use at least 5 of these sentences in your real life. Okay? So, hello everyone and future speaker. I'm Nigam from Bihar. Welcome back to day 27 of our 30 days English fluency challenge. Today's lesson is simple. Today's lesson is simple. No difficult grammar, no confusing vocabulary. Only real English that people use every day. So let's start with your morning. Okay? Repeat after me. Good morning. Good morning. I just woke up. I just woke up. I'm going to brush my teeth. Yes, repeat after me. I'm going to brush my teeth. I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready. Let's have breakfast. Let's have breakfast. Every sentence you repeat after me. Don't miss any words, okay? Now, imagine you are talking to your family, okay? At home. Can you bring me some water? Yes. Can you bring me some water? The food is delicious. The food is delicious. I'm feeling hungry. I'm feeling hungry. Please wait for me. Please wait for me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's excellent. You are doing great job. Yes, just continue. And don't just listen. Repeat after me. Got it? Right now, I am cooking on a traditional village stove, and today I am making pumpkin curry. You can see that. This is pumpkin curry. To keep the fire burning, I am using the dry corn stalks as a firewood. You can see that. But the fire goes out again and again, so I have to blow. Air through a bamboo pipe to make the flame stronger. You can see that I'm in this time I'm heating. Yes, if I don't do that, the stove produce a lot of smokes and the food doesn't cook properly. This is how we'll still cooking many Indians village. It's simple, natural, and part of our daily life. What do you use for cooking in your home? Let me know in the comments. I do every day. This is my work, daily work. Yes. What I can do. This is my life that I'm going to show you. While studying, practice with me. I am studying English. I am studying English. I don't understand this word. I don't understand this word. Can you explain it again? Can you explain it again? I will practice every day. I will practice every day. I won't give up. I won't give up. And you also don't give up, okay? Outside, when you go outside, where are you going? Where are you going? I am going to the market. I am going to the market. I'm getting late. I'm getting late. No, pause the video and choose any 5 sentences you have learned today and speak them without looking at the screen. Don't worry if you make mistake, just speak. When I started learning English, I don't memorize hundreds of words. I simply started using a small sentence in my daily life. At first, it felt strange. Today, it feels natural, and the same can help to you. From today, use at least 5 sentences at home. Even if your family reply in Hindi, you continue speaking in English. That's no confidence grow. Comment below which sentence are you going to use first. Write in English. And if you completed today's challenge, comment today I spoken English at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe and continue this journey with me. I will see you in day 28. Bye bye.